All right, before the video gets started, guys, I just want to say a huge thank you. I just checked. Today's Wednesday, December 15th. We're having a massive windstorm coming in, and it's December 15th. And to be honest with you, it was like 70 degrees today. In Iowa here, that is unheard of. I think it was record highs today. But before we get to the content, what I wanted to say was thank you for all 70-something people that voted. It looks like you guys are wanting more content. I'll try not to make it boring, but I'll try and get more videos up as I'm working on it tonight to keep you guys more content coming. Hope you guys appreciate it, and give us a like, subscribe, comment on the videos. It really helps us. Thanks. Let's get to the video. Welcome back to the BoostedRide YouTube channel. Today, we're working on this new gem. As you guys see in the last video, we pulled it out of my brother's backyard. So let's get to it. Alright, so first off, we got Morgan in here doing the dirty work for Dad. We're sucking all the mouse poop, everything out of here. So I'm going to help with getting everything out of the way for her. It's all over the floor, everywhere. We'll get the mats pulled out, everything, boxes, everything off the seat and floor. Pull the seat out and get everything vacuumed out. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some tools and let's get this stuff all the way and let's keep doing it. So after getting all the seat and everything out of the truck, I had Morgan help me. We went ahead and pushed it out the door. Thanks to Morgan. And pressure washer sitting there. We went ahead and pressure washed the inside of this dash and all. We don't care. So here's a look at the inside after the nice pressure wash job. I just at least wanted to get the remainder of all the rust and everything that was still connected to the floor out. Jason's got that set of floor pans that he should have here. Need to maybe take off this trim piece here, get the rest of that floor out. Same for the driver's side. And then, I don't know, I guess next, honestly, I just want to get this out of here so that way it smelled like total mouse piss and everything. So we'll leave the doors open for that to air out. And I would say the next step is going to be getting the Crown Vic front end, which we have located, just need to pick up. And then after that, same step as what we were going to do in the last one. Cutting all this out, cross member, the rear end, getting the old Death Trap 9-inch in here, which had the triangulated 4-link, if you remember. We're going to cut all that off, and we're going to do the same style setup as the Death Trap with the parallel 4-link bars. So that's going to be the next steps. Not sure how far we'll get in this video, but we'll see what comes next. So as you've seen in those last clips there, we went ahead and got the front fenders off, the grille, everything off the front. Now we're ready. I think we just need to get the radiator support. Okay, we got to get the radiator support off. Whoa, whoa.
We're moving.
And the inner fenders here, which I think those are pretty much ready to go. They did have some high quality bolts in them. Here's, if it'll focus. Come on, phone. Yeah, there's what was left of them going through the fender. Up here, these bottom ones, obviously that's a trap for water.
Wiring.
That and got a hose there. All right, well, we'll finish getting these out and then, I don't know, see what's next.
Soak that in cider later.
All right. Rust-free radiator support for anyone interested. It's in good shape. Lightly used. It's got a little bit holding on. The good metal's holding on yet. And there we are. Front end off. We'll get the bumper off of there. Now this will make it a lot easier for when we want to cut all this front suspension. Like I said, everything's got to go. The coil spring purchase, cross member, steering box, all the I-beams, everything. So I think it might be a little bit rusty. Is there something in there, Jason? Or wow. Wow, yeah, that's I gotta say, I think this one's a lot worse than what we anticipated, to be honest with you. So getting into it further, it's definitely not salvageable. I mean, if somebody really wanted to spend hours and hours in sheet metal work, you could probably replace everything on the cab because that's what it would take. But oh well. I think that's going to do it for this video, guys. We're gonna end it there, and then we'll continue in the next one, working on cutting off of the front end and getting ready with our new Crown Vic front suspension. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. All right, small bonus clip for you guys. We just found this out as we were wrapping the video there. We figured out what is actually holding the cab up because we were questioning the cab mounts and everything. I think we figured it out.
Yeah, well, somebody decided to put a piece of tire under the floor pad. So that's,
that answers the question about what's holding the cab up. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one.